Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am going to be trying the Milani Pure Passion eyeshadow palette, and I am doing this look with it. So if you want to see how I got the look and my thoughts on this new palette, then you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. So again, if you want to see and learn everything about the Milani Pure Passion palette, then just keep watching. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am going to be doing an eye look using the new Milani Pure Passion eyeshadow palette. I picked this up with my last drugstore haul and I wanted to do a look using it. So let's talk about this a little bit. You do get a very generous mirror in here, and then you get a total of 12 shades. So the way they have this is you have a row of shimmer, matte, shimmer, matte. And what I really like about this is if you look at like the matte shades, oops, backwards, this one right here is perfect for all over the lids. You've got some nice lighter colors that you can use as transition shades. So that one is just great the way they set it up. So I'm really excited to use this. I really have enjoyed Milani palettes in the past, so we'll see if this is just as good. Did I say it's $19.99? If I didn't, it is. It's $19.99. And everything else that I have on my face along with this, I'll have links for you down below in the description box. So let's get started. Oh, the other thing. They've actually named all of the colors. Get the glare off of that. So I appreciate this. The one thing that caught me off guard is, see, here it says 04. I kept thinking, well, maybe they have different shades in this, but I didn't see anything on mine, so who knows. But I'm going to go ahead and use this mirror that's inside here because that's nice and handy. And then I will tell you the names of everything. So I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Truth or Bear, and I'm going to use that all over my lids. And the foundation I'm wearing today, I'm actually filming two videos back to back, is the Morphe new Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation. So I will leave a little card up here if you guys gonna want to run over, I can't talk today, and check that video out. I also have their new concealer that I used as well. So this is going on really, really well. I'll show you in the pan. It's not powdery whatsoever. So again, we're on this shade right there. So no flaking. All right, good to go. Now I think I'm just going to go in with the shade right next to it, which is that one right there, and that's called Totally Fawn of You. Get it? Like I'm fond of you, but it's fawn of you. Oh, I wasn't expecting that one to be so dark. And focus there. We're getting a lot of kick up from that. Oh, okay, let me take some over to this eye because that's a lot. I barely tapped in there, you guys. Darker than I thought it was going to be. Much darker. But luckily it's blending out really nice. I think what I'll do is let me grab another clean brush. And since it's a little lighter, it's a little more pink. Actually, the title says Always Pink of Me. So I'm going to take that one right there and just, I'm going to take the side of my brush, if you can see this, hopefully if I'm in the screen. So I'm just going to take the side of it there, tap it off, and I'm just going to lightly go right at the very edge. So it will kind of help blend that out. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to that color we used all over the lid And just kind of give me a little bit more of that shade showing here. Don't want my eyeshadows going all the way up to my eyebrows. Okay, that's why I always say go in lightly with a new palette, because you never know how pigmented they may or may not be. All right, let's go ahead and use this brown shade here, which is Spice It Up. I'm going to take a more pointed brush there. This is a Morphe one. I'm going to tap just at the tip, and I'm going to go more in the crease this time. Golly, you saw I just barely tapped in there. It's wow, definitely a pigmented palette. I'll do some swatches for you here in a little bit. All right, let's work on the lid. So we're going to go into the shimmers this time, and let's swatch these real quick to see what I like. So that's the top row. I think I'm going to go ahead and take this one here, which is Lust and Luminous, and I'm going to go into the inner 2/3 of my lid. Well, that's pretty blah. We might need to wet the brush. Let me do both eyes, and then I'll come back and wet the brush on one side, but that'll give us an idea of how much more bang for our buck we might be able to get. Okay. I'm going to use my Fix Plus. Straight aiming at myself. Duh. Oops. Okay. And we'll go in right there. I don't know. All right, we're getting a lot more that way. We will keep going. Okay, take a quick look. See a difference? I can see that this one has a lot more of a shimmer to it. I wonder if all the colors are like that. I know a lot of you like to use your fingers to do stuff, but unfortunately, the price I pay for having long fingernails is I can't do that. I mean, I could, but I stand a really good chance of poking my eyeball out. I don't want to do that. Okay. I got a whole bunch of fallout. Let me zoom you in real quick because I want to see if the camera can pick that up. Okay. So all under here and there. I have a lot of fallout, so I'm just going to take a clean brush and gently brush that away. I have not put on setting spray or anything yet, so you know what? I should probably just keep you zoomed in like this so you can see a little better what I'm doing. So let's take another flat brush. I'm just going to take, what is this? I can't read it. Can't read it, but anyway. And then I'm going to go into, all right, I'm going to take that one right there, which is a pinkish color, and it's called The Biggest Flirt. And I'm going to take that on the outer part of my lid. I'm going to have to wet my brush on this one too. Oh yeah. There we go. That's working. Okay guys, this is being showed on Saturday, which means tomorrow is the Super Bowl. I know who you're rooting for and what you're doing. Big game. Or if you don't even watch and you don't even care, still tell me, what are you doing? We are having our annual Super Bowl party, which we get easily like 25 to 30 people depending on the year. So our house is going to be very full. I've ordered all of the party supplies, so plates, napkins, decorations, stuff like that. Those came yesterday, and my husband is going to do both a pulled pork, and then he's going to do his world famous brats. So everybody else brings stuff. So just to have fun. I am not a fan of New England. Just I'm not. So I really like the Rams, and that's who I'm going with. Alright, so let's work on the under part of the eye, and I think I'm going to start out with this pinkish shade again. So that was called Always Pink of Me. And I'm going to take that on a smudge brush and just go right under my lash line. I like this shade. Should have used that as my transition color. Okay. And then let's just go on a flat brush, and I think I'm going to go ahead and go back into the Biggest Flirt again. So I'm just going to take that tight up against my lashes. Maybe. Maybe. It's not working so good. I am loading up my brush. Okay, plan B. Let's go back here to spice it up. And we'll try that again. I'm going to tap a lot off. I don't want to go super dark. And I also want to go back in and kind of buff out this crease. So you can see I went over the line. I didn't stay inside the coloring lines, guys. How about if I go ahead and apply my mascara and lip gloss, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and I have my mascara on. I use the Milani Most Wanted Lashes, which again is something I picked up in my last haul. I also picked up, here, all these lip products. So I need to figure out which one I want to wear, but since they're all part of my haul, I thought I would try them with you guys today. So these are the matte satin colors, and then I have two that are Keep It Full lip plumping glosses. This one's definitely not going to go. It's their metallic color, so not quite appropriate for today. And then I got the Instant Care lipstick, which looks like so. No, too brown. I think I want to go with the plumping glosses and see how those work. So I have two colors. I have Luminoso and Rosewood. If I remember correctly, I think I liked Rosewood better. So that's what we're going to wear today. So nice big little wand. Nice big little wand. That makes a lot of sense, huh? You get what I mean. Probably should line my lips first. Okay, I am not feeling any burning or tingling at all that you normally get with those lip plumping glosses, but it's a very pretty shade. I'll have to see how well it wears so far. Not getting on my teeth either, so that's a good sign. Okay, I have also used my setting spray, so I've set everything with my makeup, and that brings us to the very end, except for swatches. So let me go ahead and do that, and I will insert some swatches for you right here. All right, I went ahead and turned down my ring light because I really want these to show up good for you, so I will list off the names of the colors so you will have a good idea what they are. Okay. All right, so the top shade there is Afterglow. Then we have Pink Sand, followed by Lust and Luminous. Truth or Bear is not going to show up very well because that's the color I went all over my lid with. Then we have Totally Fawn of You and Always Pink of Me. Biggest Flirt. Sunsets by the Beach, Desert Way, Heat is On, Spice It Up, and last but not least, Late Date. So those are just some beautiful shades. As you can see from the color choices, you can get a lot of different looks out of this palette. So this is one that would be one I would easily grab if I'm traveling because it's got all those shades in it that I need. No, it doesn't have a black, but I very rarely wear blacks, so that's not a biggie for me, but if it is for you, just keep that in mind. So that brings us to the end, you guys. Before we sign off for this, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button along with the bell that's right next to it. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you have any comments, questions, things you'd like to see me do on my channel, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please, please, please. That helps us all in the YouTube community. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It means we're doing something that you like. If you don't care for it, go ahead, give it a thumbs down. It's whatever you want to do. So, but thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really like how this turned out. And again, because of the shimmers not being that strong, they're more on the subtle side. I appreciate that because this is a great palette for daytime use. And then again, you can wet it and take it up a notch for nighttime. So it's hard to find a palette. Sometimes it just has those very subtle shimmers in it that just aren't so wild. So I know there's a lot of you out there that don't like to wear shimmers. You feel sometimes when you get to be our age, it just kind of emphasizes wrinkles and stuff and hooded eyes, but there's a way you can get around that and still get that look. So anyway, I love it, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.